Hello, in this video I will talk about two major topics in shell script. One of them is passing arguments and the second one is use if condition in shell script. Now let's first start the first one and passing argument to shell script. First, let's start prepare a file in VI. And just print a line. Now, in shell script there's special variable that keeps the command line arguments. As you remember, in shell variables start with a dollar sign. So arguments, command line arguments keep in special variables with dollar sign 1 and the next number. For example, this one represent the first argument in command line for your script. Let's use print this line will show the first parameter, and let's save our file. Give execution for first time. Now run it. As you can see, now they are empty because we didn't give any argument. And let's give some arguments now. And give only the one. And you can see the first parameter is L1 and still the second one is empty. And let give the second one, and you can see, okay, if you give more, but if you didn't use them it will not be any problem because we didn't use yet the third or the fourth arguments. Now let's see some more comments about that. There's another special variable $0. It keeps the name of script as you can see. It shows the name of the script and running from which path. So, because already we are in the path where the file in. To see the difference, let's go to another path and run. And it prints the full path and it prints from which directory the terminal is working and print them. Let's return back to our file and clear. Now let's see some more variables, special variables. And another special one is the number of arguments passing into the script. As you can see, it's 0 because we didn't give. Let's give some parameters. Now in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 arguments and the number of arguments is 5. And let's see another special variable is $add. It keeps all argument in an array. Let's repeat the same example. As you can see, it prints all arguments. So it is the main idea of passing argument. Let's print again. $0 mean the name of script. $1 $2 whatever you want. It is the first, second, and the rest of arguments. With $s it shows the number of actually the count of args and all arguments. And our second part of video is about the if condition initial script. Let's see that. Again, open our file. We can use if condition in shell script like a regular programming language, and almost it is the same logic and same concept, just with a few different syntax. We use if, then format. Suppose that check the first argument if equal to foo, then echo, and else for the second alternative. Keep a space. and close or if clause. Fi is the reverse of if. So you can see it prints it is full. Let's try in negative condition. So it check, it's not full. Let's see some more. If you use more controlling, we use else if in shortly, else if. Again, so in this example, it will check the first argument. If it is full or it is bar, it shows regarding message. If not one of them, it shows message is nothing. And run. So it shows it is full and it is bar and it is none of them. Thank you very much for your watching.